Hey techies and kitchen enthusiasts, welcome back to Nikhil's Tech and Appliances, your one-stop destination for smart, budget-friendly innovations. Today, we're diving into 15 new kitchen gadgets under 100 that'll transform your cooking game without emptying your wallet. From crispy fries to artistic desserts, these tools are absolute game changers. Don't forget to hit subscribe and ring the bell. You won't want to miss this. Number 15, the stainless steel potato slicer is a must-have for any kitchen. Measuring 6 inches into 5.5 into 11.3 inches, this gadget is designed to create perfectly twisted potato slices that are perfect for frying or baking. Made from durable stainless steel, it promises longevity and sharpness, making slicing a breeze. Whether you're prepping for a party or just indulging in some homemade fries, this slicer will elevate your snack game. Plus, it's easy to clean. Just rinse and you're done. Number 14. Cookie Cutter Shapes Set. We have the Cookie Cutter Shapes Set, which is perfect for adding a fun twist to your baking. This set includes various shapes that are not only great for cookies, but also for cutting fruits and sandwiches into delightful designs. Ideal for kids' parties or creative lunch boxes, these cutters make meal prep enjoyable and engaging. Made from food-safe materials, they are dishwasher-friendly for easy cleanup. Unleash your creativity and impress your family with beautifully shaped treats. Number 13. Hand Blender. Introducing the 300 watts. Hand Blender, a versatile tool that every home cook should own. With 5 variable speed controls, it allows you to achieve the perfect consistency for soups, sauces and smoothies. They included multiple beaters and dough hooks. Make it easy to whip up batters or knead dough without the hassle of bulky mixers. Its turbo function provides an extra boost when you need it most, ensuring efficiency in your cooking tasks. Compact and lightweight, this blender is easy to store and handle. Number 12. Multifunction Vegetable Cutter. Say hello to the 6-in-1 multifunction vegetable cutter designed to simplify your meal prep. With 6 different blades and a peeler included, this gadget can chop, slice, julienne and dice vegetables with ease. Its efficient design saves time in the kitchen and allows you to experiment with various cuts for salads or stir-fries. Made from high-quality materials, it is durable and built to withstand daily use. This cutter is not just practical. It's also an essential tool for those who love cooking at home. Number 11. Electron Tiffin Box Set. Perfect for anyone who enjoys home-cooked meals on the go. Each box holds 360 milliliters of food, making it ideal for portion control while keeping your meals fresh and delicious. The stainless steel construction ensures durability while being easy to clean and maintain. With its leak-proof design, you can pack curries or salads without worrying about spills in your bag. This tiffin set is not just functional, it's stylish enough for any occasion. Number 10. Alkaline Water Filter Pitcher. Stay hydrated with the Alkaline Water Filter Pitcher, designed to enhance your drinking water. This 3.5-liter pitcher balances pH levels while removing impurities from tap water, ensuring you enjoy clean and refreshing hydration every day. Its sleek design fits easily in your fridge door, making it accessible whenever you need a drink. The filtration system is simple to use. Just fill it up and let it do its magic. Drinking alkaline water can help improve your overall health by promoting better hydration. Number 9. Fruit Cup Cutter. Get ready to slice fruit like a pro with the 3-piece Fruit Cup Cutter set. These stainless steel cutters make preparing fruit salads quick and effortless by creating perfectly shaped wedges every time. Whether you're making snacks for kids or garnishing desserts, these tools will add flair to your presentations. They are easy to use. Just press down on the fruit and watch as they cut through effortlessly. Plus, they're dishwasher safe for hassle-free cleaning after use. Number 8. Vegetable Spiral Slicer. Transform your vegetables into stunning spirals with the Vegetable Spiral Slicer. This multi-purpose tool allows you to create noodle-shaped vegetables from carrots, cucumbers, potatoes, and more, perfect for healthy meals or decorative salads. Its compact design makes it easy to store while still being robust enough for daily use in any kitchen. Enjoy guilt-free zoodles or eye-catching veggie platters that will impress guests at dinner parties. cleaning is a breeze. Simply rinse underwater after use. Number 7. Dry fruit and chocolate cutter. Meet the ultimate multitasker. The dry fruit cutter, slicer, grinder, chocolate cutter and butter slicer all in one. This handy gadget features a 3-in-1 blade system that makes slicing almonds or cashews effortlessly, while also allowing you to grate chocolate for desserts or slice butter smoothly. Its compact design means it won't take up much space in your kitchen drawer, but will become an essential tool in no time. Perfect for bakers or anyone who loves snacking on dry fruits. Number 6. Airtight glass jars. Store your ingredients stylishly with these airtight glass jars with leak-proof lids. With a capacity of 1500 milliliters, these jars are perfect for everything from spices to cookies, keeping them fresh longer thanks to their silicone seals. The wide mouth makes filling and cleaning easy, while their transparent design allows you to see what's inside at a glance. Stackable and durable, they're great for organizing your pantry or countertop without sacrificing aesthetics. Number 5. Bread toaster. Toast lovers rejoice with the 8200 bread toaster, designed for perfection every morning. With 6 different browning controls, you can customize your toast just how you like it, lightly golden or crispy brown. The wider slots accommodate thicker slices of bread or bagels easily, while the removable crumb tray ensures quick cleanup after breakfast is done. Plus, its cool touch body keeps you safe from burns during use, a practical addition to any kitchen. Number 4. French fries cutter. Craving crispy fries? The stainless steel fries potato cutting cutter machine maker has got you covered. This handy tool allows you to create restaurant-style fries right at home with minimal effort. Just place a potato inside and push it down. It comes with 2 chip cutter options, so you can choose between thick cut or thin cut fries based on your preference. Ideal not just for potatoes, but also carrots or zucchini if you're looking for healthier options. Number 3. Ceramic butter dish with lid. Keep your butter fresh with this elegant ceramic butter dish with lid. Designed with an airtight seal that preserves flavor while preventing odors from other fridge items from seeping in. This dish is both functional and stylish enough to leave on your countertop. It comes with a knife included, so you can easily spread butter directly from the dish without any mess. Perfect for both East Coast and West Coast butter lovers alike. Number 2. Grand egg boiler and poacher. Perfectly cooked eggs every time are just a click away with the Grand Egg Boiler and Poacher. This 2-in-1 appliance can boil up to 8 eggs at once or poach 4 eggs simultaneously. Ideal for family breakfasts or meal prep days. With 3 boiling modes available, you can choose how soft or hard you'd like your eggs cooked. The transparent lid lets you monitor progress without lifting it off, ensuring perfectly timed results every time. Number 1. Double-decker insulated casserole carrier. Finally, we have the ultimate solution for potlucks. The double-decker insulated casserole carrier. Designed to fit standard 9 into 13-inch baking dishes comfortably. Keeping hot foods hot and cold foods cold during transport. It's perfect for parties or picnics alike. The durable handles make carrying easy, while its stylish design ensures you'll arrive looking great no matter where you're headed. If you enjoyed this budget kitchen haul, smash that like button and share with fellow foodies. And subscribe to Nikhil's Tech and Appliances for more genius gadgets. All product links are in the description. Let me know which one you're grabbing first. Until next time, cook smart, stay techy, and keep innovating.